Jim Horstrup's flying Orbital Transport Laboratory. This is a beautiful red, white, and black scratch built kit. It's 5.5 inches in diameter, 29.8 inches tall. It weighs 7.1 pounds. It's going up on an I-211 white. Jim, are you ready? Jim's ready. 3, 2 is armed. And we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, motor. Eject. Come on. There it is. Alright, we gotta shoot. Very nice. Ranges open. If anyone has a nice camera on the east side of the flight line, get a picture of this one coming in. Great flight, Jim. We still need an RSO for the 8 to 10.